Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board this Turkish Airlines flight. Our safety briefing is important, which is why we've created one with a touch of magic. Carefully stow your hand luggage in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. When the seatbelt sign is on, please fasten your seatbelt. Keep it fastened and visible while seated. The crew will provide loop belts for infants. You can release it as shown here when needed. It is illegal to smoke on this flight, including electronic cigarettes. It is also strictly prohibited to smoke in the toilets, which are equipped with smoke detectors. Set your mobile phones and all electronic devices to flight mode. For takeoff and landing, please switch them off, unplug them, and stow them away. In case of loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop down automatically. Pull the nearest mask over your nose and mouth. Make sure your mask is well adjusted before helping your child. On the command, brace for impact, take the brace position as you see here. Emergency exits are located on each side of the cabin, at the front, center, and rear. The exit signs help you locate them. Take a moment now to locate the nearest sign, which may be behind you. In the event of an emergency evacuation, leave the aircraft following the exit signs and the illuminated path along the aisle or between the seats. As you exit, please leave all hand luggage, high heels, and sharp objects behind, not to impede the rapid evacuation. Your life vest is located here or here. Place it over your head and pull the straps tight. Inflate as you leave the plane by pulling the red toggles or blowing into the tubes. The light will come on when in contact with water or by pulling the plug on the battery. The crew will provide life vests for infants. Please only remove and put the life vest on if instructed to. Inflate it immediately. Exit doors are fitted with slides, which will be operated by the crew in case of an emergency. For takeoff and landing, please make sure that your tray table is closed, your window blind is open, and that your seat back is fully upright. Please stow your footrest, video screen, and headset. Thank you for your attention. For more details, please read the safety card in your seat pocket and enjoy your flight.
New day. Let's do something new. Okay. New look. New rules. Oh, thanks.
New King's Brioche with Belgian chocolate chips and rich praline filling. And King's Brioche with strawberry and biscuit cream filling.
Oh, what's this? New fun. King's Brioche. This would work. Whoa! Pixels do matter.
It was the best thing you've ever seen!
Check this out. Sorry, buddy.
No!
Hey. This is how I get from France to Finland. Welcome. So I'm here in Finland because I heard about this magic rye bread called Tigerois. So I wanted to check it out. It's really cold here. Like really cold. Much better. Ping pong breakfast. Oh! Egg sandwich.
Thanks for watching, Michael. Here's his things. If you need anything else, let me know. Okay, Michael, be good. All right, Michael, here's a trick. Ta-da! Oh, how about a card trick? Here, pick a card. Michael. All right, Michael, you like this one. Just pick a fish, Michael. Okay. Ready?
Daddy, can I have a kitty?
Look, Mike.
Okay, ready, Michael? Enjoy. Okay, Michael, I'm back. Time to go.